Hi, Don. Bon voyage sa Canada. Tapos, ayun, best of luck. Tapos, best of luck din sa balita ko kasi gagawa ko ng restaurant. Pagbalik mo rito, may isang restaurant. Inform mo kami kasi masarap yan, Mexican. So, talagang pupuntahan ka. Ha? Kailangan mag-discount kami. Daling ko yung baby ko. And yun. Okay? Sige, ingat. Bye.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, madam. What's your problem?
Yes.
You have
So,
an opinion?
what can you say about Don?
Oh, I have a lot of things to say about Don. Don, of course. I don't want to mention it, but you know he has a very big head. And you know that's right. You know that's right. This is for what, madam?
For the video.
Oh, can we speak in Tagalog?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's very good. So there, Don is a very big-headed organism with a very nice bank account. But what else? That's all. But he's very kind. That's true. He's very kind with his foods and his baon. And
What's your message?
message to Don. Oh my God. Big-headed organism, you know that's right. What's my message? Maganda ba ako dyan, madam? Ano ba sasabihin ko?
Message.
Or, parting words.
Ganyan.
Don. Oh my God. Don. Bye. I know you're gonna miss me when you're gone. But then again, I'm always here in my table. And if you need like no, if you need something, you can ask the people around you, not me. Because I'm far. Charot. Pero tol, you know, if you need actually I can't offer anything, but you know, if you need something, you can ask. That's all. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, bye.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
End ko lang po pa.
Game, Joe.
Yes, hi.
You have a message to Doniel?
Oh, Don? Si Kuya Don?
No, you, yourself. Sige, go. Get it poppin'. Come on.
Yes, well, sadly, I've just been here for like 2 months, and you know, I really haven't known Kuya Don very well, but what I've seen from him is he's very, very blunt about his compliments. You're a witness to that, Ate Suzy, and
That's
Ate
true.
Marge as well. Well, but I must say though na Kuya Don is very nice. He's very well-mannered,
Oy.
and
Well, that's
sometimes
okay. That's okay. Sometimes. Okay, let's clarify.
Mm. And well, he's very generous
That's true.
and thoughtful, in fairness.
That's sometimes true.
And he's the star, our team star, our
That's
team's
true.
new star.
Mhm.
And well, ano pa ba? What do you want me to say? I've got nothing else.
If you love him, say it. Say it now. Or forever hold your peace.
Yeah, well,
Okay
I love me too very much. Oh
Let's
my
say
gosh,
your
she-
last words.
Well, taka lang po, may ipis eh. Well, anyway, back to where I was saying. Well, Kuya Don, good luck po dun sa Canada, you know, like, take care of the mooses and the snow and the people there, whatever, ano makita nyo. And don't forget to remember us. Charot.
That's true. Bye-bye.
Ano? Si Don. Well, si Don kasi mabait yan. Tapos generous. Tapos mataba yung neurons niya kasi kung ano na naiisip. Tapos yung ilong niya, very, very unique. Kasi kung ano na naamoy niya from butanding to hindi ko alam kung ano mga isda yan o kung anong hayop yan. Pero there's never a dull day with Don. So, yun ang masasabi ko. And we would definitely miss Don. Ayun.
Message to Don.
Message to Don, know what you want para dun ka mag-rejive. Dun ka talaga mag-chance.
Okay. Si Don, bait siya. Miss ko siya. Ingat ka lagi. Sana mo kami nakalimutan. Balik ka dito. Welcome ka pa rin sa puso ko. Mahal kita. Yun lang.
Ha? Si Don? Well, I like him because he's so nice. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, Don, seriously, mamimiss ka namin. You've been very, very good to our group, our team, our company, and well, I just wish you all the luck. And hopefully, we'll get to see you next year, if ever. And good luck. God bless.
Wait lang, busy ako ng lupin pa. Mamaya lang. Sino? Si Don? Ay, si Don. Sino na nga siya? Actually, si Don, before, hindi ko masyadong napapansin. Pero lately, medyo close na. Kunyari, yun lang. Tapos, bibigyan ko pa yung kanyang aso. Pero hindi pa ako sure kasi mahal. Yun lang. Sana, may discount pa. And sana 1-year installment. Yun lang. Miss you.
Ay, hello po. Si Kuya Don po ba? Hi Kuya Don. Bye-bye. Mamimiss kita. You're so sweet and marami ka laging food. So, ingat ka lagi and alam ko babalik ka pa. So, till we meet again. Bye-bye!
Uy. Pawana.
Hi, Don. Good luck.
Hi, Don. Uy. Hi, Don. Good luck. Canada. And
We'll miss you.
may miss ka ni Marvin na very proud na.
Ayan, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God
Tsaka,
bless.
Good luck. Pakain.
hello kami sa Canada.
Balik ka agad.
Pagbalik.
Pagbalik mo, pasalubong. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Si Don, yun, mahilig sa kape. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Very generous na tao. Parang kakainin niya lang, bibigay niya pa sa tao. Yan, very generous, ano pa ba? Makulit, daming hirit, minsan sablay, minsan hindi. Best friend ni Suzy, tsaka most definitely mamamiss ng lahat dito sa Indigo 21. Kasi parang he has a different way of thinking. Parang gagawin niya ng joke kahit siguro tae or kahit ano man. Basta mamimiss namin si Don and hopefully by next year pagbalik niya dito sa Philippines, sana nandito bumalik pa rin siya para makasama pa rin namin siya. Ingat sa Canada and pag-uwi mo sana magdala ka ng babae.
Sige, bye.
Bye-bye!